Hello and welcome to a new episode How to learn JavaScript from beginner to advanced. Today we will learn about how to clone an object in JavaScript using the spread operator. The spread operator has this sign 3 points spread operator. Let's write here. You should keep in your mind that you can use this method to clone an object, spread operator, just if you deal if you are working with a simple object. If you working with a nested object, imbricated object, you should use another method we will discuss later. Cloning an object means creating a new object with the same properties as the original without modifying the original object. The spread operator provides an easy way to achieve this in JavaScript. When you use spread operator to clone an object, you will obtain a shallow copy. That means that you can use this method for simple objects. The spread operator only make a shallow copy, meaning nested objects still reference the same address memory. This means that if you modify an object, both the original and the clone will be modified because both are the same memory address. And if you deal with nested object, you should use a library like Lodash or method like JSON-parse, JSON stringify object or object assign. I will write here for you. For nested object, this method we will discuss later, Lodash library or object assign. Let's pass to our lesson about how to clone an object in JavaScript using the spread operator. Let's go step by step. We'll create an object with simple object because with simple object we will working now. We have object person. We know that is the object because have these curly brackets and properties name John, age 13, key value. This is an object. Okay, and now let's console.log this object. Two seconds because I am here on HTML. I switch to the console. This is our object. Okay, let's clone this object. I say before that for clone you should to use spread operator, no? And for this spread operator of object, spread operator clone person equals spread operator of object. And now console clone object. Let's see. Yes, I have here another object. We have now two objects. If you want to clone again, you can put here and you have three objects. Okay, let's delete this. You have just two objects. You can verify the clone is a separate object. Even though they look identical, they are separate objects in memory. Let's put a condition here for verify. Console.log person equal clone person will be true or false. This is the same with that object, false, because each object are a separate entity, have a separate entity. If you want to modify this object, you can modify this object. I put here clone person.age. I want to modify this clone person, and instead 13 should appear 35. Let's see if it's I will console the both the original and the clone object. Changes, modify clone object, have 35 because I set here clone person.age equal 35, and original remain the same because I don't modify. But if I want to do this, I can to modify person.age equal 100, and probably will appear 100. Okay, that was all for today. You can modify a simple object with spread operator. Spread operator is a good approach for copy an object, do you know, or for put an argument. You can use this method for add element begin at other end of an array. Is a nice approach. That was all for today. I hope you understand what I say here. Don't forget that this method just work with simple object, and for nested implicated object, because when you work with an app or other part of code, usually you use implicated object, should to use another method. Have a nice day.